Should emergency fund be a part of investment strategy? How much is the ideal allocation for emergency fund? To help you get answers to these questions, we have our investment expert Manish with us. Manish, over to you.
Clearly, you have goals, you have to create wealth, you have to create assets. For that, you have to do savings. Now, when we talk about savings, what is the first rule in savings is that the first thing which you should do or separate out money is for any emergency fund. This is a basic rule which we say that before investing in equity market, before investing in any of the fixed deposit, one thing which you should keep in mind is that keep a separate emergency fund at all time with you. It can be anything. It can be a car damage. It can be a medical expenses which you haven't anticipated, but keep an emergency fund. There is no thumb rule, but normally in the finance parlance, it's said that your 12 months salary, you should keep it aside as an emergency fund. So whatever is your 12 months salary, if you keep it separately for any of the unforeseen emergencies, I think that will help you in when there is actually a rainy day and you have to save yourself from that rainy day. So first thing in investing is to keep a good emergency fund.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.